To transfer money from the Nedbank app, a secure and convenient way to send funds. Follow these steps. Once the money is sent, the recipient will receive an SMS containing a PIN and voucher, which can be used to withdraw the money within 30 days. If the recipient does not receive this message, they can request the voucher to be resent by dialing specific codes. To initiate the transfer, log in to the Nedbank app using your credentials, PIN, Nedbank ID, or Face ID. Then, click on Transact and select Pay, followed by Send Money, and choose one of the available options. Enter the desired amount, select the account you are sending from, and edit the reference if needed. Before confirming the payment, by following these steps, you can easily transfer money from the Nedbank app